Introducing the all-new 2025 Peugeot 5008 GT line, a bold expression of modern design, elevated performance, and European luxury that turns every journey into an adventure. From the very first glance, the 5008 commands attention with its sharp, sculpted lines, frameless grille, full LED headlights, and signature claw effect taillights. This SUV isn't just about looks, it exudes confidence with its aerodynamic silhouette and aggressive GT styling that blends elegance with athleticism effortlessly. Whether it's city streets or open highways, the 5008 stands tall, sleek, and unapologetically sophisticated. Under the hood, the 2025 Peugeot 5008 GT line delivers refined power with its turbocharged 1.60 PureTech petrol engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for seamless gear shifts and optimum fuel efficiency. Producing a robust 180 horsepower, this SUV offers dynamic handling and smooth acceleration, making it a delight to drive whether you're cruising or overtaking. The precision-tuned suspension and advanced chassis provide a balanced, responsive ride that feels both agile and stable, perfect for those who crave control and comfort in one impressive package. Step inside and you're immediately welcomed by Peugeot's iconic iCockpit, a driver-focused cabin featuring a compact steering wheel, customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 10-inch HD touchscreen. Tech lovers will be thrilled with the advanced connectivity features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, voice recognition, and a 10-speaker focal sound system that transforms the cabin into a mobile concert hall. Safety is equally impressive, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree surround camera, making the 5008 not just smart, but brilliantly safe too. What truly sets the 2025 Peugeot 5008 GT line apart is how effortlessly it balances practicality with style, innovation with comfort, and performance with refinement. With its 7-seat flexibility, generous boot space, and bold personality, this SUV isn't just keeping up, it's redefining what a modern family SUV should be.